Friend, in this video I am going to tell you how you can add AliExpress product into your Shopify website through Oberlo app. So click on apps and click on Oberlo. No, its Oberlo dashboard is open. Click here, search products. I am going to add clothes products. So its clothes products are opened. Click here, add to import list. This product has been added into import list. Click here. So the clothes product has been added. It's open here. Now here are collections. You can assign this product into your related collection. I am going to add this product into baby's fashion. You can add your related collection. After this you have to click here, import to store. Here you can check my already products are 28. After adding this product, these products will be 29. So you can check here, my products are 29 now. The import list is empty. Now I am going to teach you the second method. Have to go to apps, Google Apps. Click here, go to Web Store. Then search here Oberlo Extension. Click here. So you can check here, it's Oberlo Aliexpress.com product importer. I have already this extension into my Shopify store and also in my browser. Here it's showing this icon. So after adding this extension into your browser, you have to go to AliExpress. I am going to add now shoes product into my Shopify website. So after here you can check, it's showing the icon of Oberlo. Click it. Now it's going to add into my Shopify website. You can check product imported successfully. Go back to your Shopify Oberlo app. Click here. Now you can check import list have one product, that is shoes. So you can also add this product into your related collection. I am going to add this baby's fashion. After selecting the collection, you have to click here, add to your store or import to store. You can check after adding this product, there will be 30 products. It's added. So my list is empty and my products are 30. So friends, these are two ways you can apply and you can add products into your Shopify website. Thank you for watching.